This is a demonstration of the JVC. It's a CD portable unit. It's model PC XC11. Comes with the original remote. Currently running FM. We'll give it some more volume. We'll switch it to a different channel. Have a presets. Another preset.
Is to transform chaos.
And I'll switch it over to AM.
Where others see problems.
City Chiefs. So John,
there's AM.
setting aside the X's and O's,
Tile and carpet cleaning. Liam Maitland here. Ready to join me and start losing weight before the holiday rush?
Then I have a couple of tapes in here. The Stevie Nicks on this side. I'll go ahead and play that.
Your journey for just $19.
I'll stop that side. And then on this side we have Night Ranger. Sounds amazing. I'll go ahead and stop that. And we'll switch it over to the CD. I have a Christmas CD in number 2. And I'll switch it over to the next track you'll see.
Like Christmas recital.
And try a couple other tracks.
So, how do you figure on the naughty
And
tonight
then we'll
scale,
go
daffy old
to
pal?
a different
Well,
disc.
Since nobody's perfect, guess I ought to...
We'll switch it over to a different disc. Again, sorry about the shadows on there. This unit's in real nice shape. Antenna's fully intact. Oh, actually, let me go to disc 3. Sorry about that. We'll play for disc 3.
You ain't nothing but a hound dog. You're crying all the time.
I only had 2 discs in there. And then we'll switch it and find a different
Crying all
track.
the time. Round, round, get around, I get it.
Checking all these different tracks. Yeah. Everything works great. Although I haven't tried the fast forward and rewind on the cassette, so let's just try that.